Hi everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'm Kim, and today we are going to be painting on some little dessert glasses that I have. I found some in my pantry. I actually did some a few weeks ago. That video will be linked up in the corner. And then I found some more glasses, and so we're going to do a few more today. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we are using some light turquoise and a regal red metallic and some rose madder. I still don't know how to pronounce that. These are all mixed at a ratio of about 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. I may have had to add some water to a few of these because they've been sitting a while. So part of this project is to use up some paints that I've had on hand for a while. They just need to get used before they go bad. So I'm also going to throw in some silver metallic that's a pre-mixed paint, and then some Artist Loft white paint. So I'm going to layer 4 little cups, and the other part of this project is to use up some supplies that have been hanging around. It's just spring cleaning time. So we're going to do the turquoise first. Yeah, see, some of these containers are getting gunked up, and so it's time to use up the paint, wash everything out, replace some containers. So I'm just going to layer each of these cups, and then we'll pour it on these little dessert glasses that I have. So these were, uh, I think, like little chocolate mousse or something that we got from Costco. And we kept saving the glasses and saving the glasses, and I was tired of them falling out of my cabinets. And I finally thought, you know what? Let me paint on these. They're really cute. They're a little wider at the top than at the bottom. As you can see, I'm having a hard time keeping them on these sticks. So I have the little tacky that I use, and then the popsicle stick, but these cups are not staying level the way some of the others in the past have done. Ooh, that red is so pretty. I really love that one. Just going to go real slow so that I get a nice coverage on here. So this is the same technique that I use for the Christmas ornaments that I've made. You just kind of swirl it around and let the paint drip down, and then you fill in wherever there's some empty spots. And I managed to stick my finger right in the other jar when I was adjusting this. We'll speed this up a little. So these last two I decided to do in lines. There's not enough paint. It doesn't drip down as well. So I'm gonna have to mix up some more paint for these. And even the first two are not covering quite as well as they should. These little cups are a little bigger than the last set that I did. Okay, this is going a lot better. I really like the turquoise and red together. All right, guys, these are now dry, and I'm just going to show you how pretty they are. I really like the way these turned out. And even from the inside, can you see? You can see the paint from the inside. It looks really cool. So I really like the way these turned out. I had a hard time keeping them straight on the foam or on the popsicle stick. This cup is a little wider at the top and a little heavier than the last batch I did, so they kept tilting, so I had to like maneuver them around on the little block, and I had to do a bunch of tilting off extras and propping up with popsicle sticks. But overall, I think they turned out really cute. So I think I'm gonna try resin on these. It'll be my first resin experiment. So hopefully in a few weeks I will get some resin and finally get really brave and give it a try. So if you like this video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and come back next week when I'm painting another set of these little glasses. Thanks guys, bye!